Is this the one I call the food hangover fixer-upper? This is like if you have a food hangover, which you know will happen, either just watching football or on Thanksgiving or any of the other holidays coming up.
This is like my favorite food hangover cure. It's a really simple recipe. It involves half a teaspoon of ginger. Okay, so it's a really
anti-inflammatory, great for you in a lot of ways.
Great for your stomach, great for nausea.
Right.
Ginger is a really powerful herb. So about a half a teaspoon of ginger. Then you want to use a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in the cocktail. Okay, so
my grandpa used to have like a little, like almost like a shot glass of vinegar at the end of meals, especially like if you had a steak or something with high in animal fat. What's the health benefit of vinegar?
So what vinegar does is it disrupts enzymes in the small intestine that break apart sugar molecules.
Wow.
So it can actually help make like a carby meal less impactful on your blood sugar. So it's very good.
So my grandpa was actually really wicked smart.
Yeah. Oh, you also want to put a drop or two of stevia. Adds really nice flavor.
So sweet ginger vinegar.
Yeah. Well, okay. It shouldn't. You want to kind of, use as much stevia and water as you can to taste. You don't want to feel like you're drinking vinegar.
It's not that bad.
No, I'm
being honest. What? You're the one who gives yourself the food hangover. It'll fix you.
I think it's really good. It's healthy for you. It's refreshing, and again, good for digestion in that post-meal window where you're feeling like,
Gotta clean it all out once you put it in, right? Thank you, Max, as always. You are a genius.